How to safely fall to minimize injury. Falling is one of the most common ways people get hurt, but few know the techniques that can protect you when it happens. Learn the surprising moves that could save your body. When you start to fall, the natural reaction is to tense up and brace yourself. However, this actually increases the chance of injury because stiff muscles transmit more force to your bones and joints. Instead, try to relax your body as much as possible. Loosen your arms and legs to help your muscles absorb the shock more effectively, reducing the impact on your skeleton. One of the most dangerous parts of a fall is hitting your head, which can cause serious brain injuries. To minimize risk, tuck your chin toward your chest as you fall. This helps protect your head and neck by keeping them aligned and reducing the chance of a direct head impact. If possible, use your arms to shield your head without locking your elbows. Instead of hitting the ground flat, try to roll with the momentum of your fall. Rolling spreads the force of impact over a larger area of your body and over a longer time, drastically reducing injury risk. Aim to roll diagonally across your back or side, avoiding landing on stiff limbs or directly on your spine. It might seem natural to put your hands out to stop a fall, but this often leads to wrist fractures or dislocations. Instead, try to land on your forearms and shoulders. This strategy helps absorb impact with stronger bones and muscles, protecting delicate wrist joints from injury. Bending your knees as you land helps your legs act like shock absorbers. Straight legs transmit force directly to your hips and spine, increasing injury risk. Slightly bent knees allow your muscles to cushion the fall and reduce the impact on your lower body. Falling is often unavoidable, but knowing how to fall safely can drastically reduce injury. Relax your body, protect your head, roll with the momentum, avoid landing on your hands, and bend your knees to absorb impact. These simple tips can save you from serious harm. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.